Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, today we'll be studying chapter Biochemistry of Cell. In that we'll be studying topic properties of enzymes. Now when I say properties, enzymes work at certain parameters. There is a definite way by which enzymes work, and if that way is not followed out, enzymes won't function. Today we'll be studying that pathway by which enzymes work. Properties of enzymes. Now enzymes work in a certain fashion and there are various properties of an enzyme. First one could be enzymes are needed in small quantities for a reaction. Enzymes do not accelerate the reaction. They actually fasten up the reaction, or enzymes substrate initiate the reaction. There is a site called as active site where the substrate comes and binds the enzyme. Substrate does not binds anywhere else on the enzyme. Enzymes never change their shape during the reaction or during the process of chemical reaction. Enzymes have optimum temperature for working, or enzymes work at certain optimum. For example, if you are using HCl, it will work at room temperature, but when you're considering an enzyme that works in human body, it will definitely work at 37 degrees Celsius, since the temperature in a body is 37 degrees Celsius. Enzymes are needed in small quantity. The reason for this is that whenever enzymes are formed inside a body, they are used continuously and they do not change their shape. So there is no need to use enzymes or to synthesize enzymes rapidly. So these were certain properties of enzymes. Moreover, enzymes are specific in nature. When I say specific in nature, it means a certain enzyme will be available for a certain substrate. For example, pepsin works on proteins only. During the process of digestion, pepsin will be used for protein digestion, catabolism or anabolism. For glucose or for carbohydrate digestion, there will be some another enzyme. Every enzyme has a particular substrate and a particular reactant. This is how enzyme works. So let us see the properties of enzymes. Properties of enzyme. Enzymes, they are needed in small quantities. They do not change their shape. During a chemical reaction, the shape of an enzyme and its active site remains as it is. It never changes. They accelerate but do not initiate the reaction. When I say accelerate, it means enzymes fasten up the process of a reaction. But substrate is a thing that initiates or starts the reaction. Enzymes are specific in nature. For a particular substrate, there will be a specific enzyme. Substrate, or the substance which reacts with the enzyme, binds on the active site of an enzyme. Active site is a place where the enzyme accepts the substrate and forms the product. Enzymes have different optima. When I say optima, it means enzymes have different temperatures at which they work. An example of this could be HCl works at room temperature and pepsin works at 37 degrees Celsius. And if you change the temperature of a particular enzyme, the enzyme would denature or get destroyed. So students, in this part of the topic, we have studied what are the various properties of enzymes and how enzymes function. I hope you all have understood the various properties of an enzyme. Thank you.